So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to write text using the S Pen on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. So if you find yourself with an S Pen that's not writing, whether it's in text boxes or text messages, and you're trying to type or rather to write a message with your S Pen and it doesn't seem to be working, you have to enable that function first. So go into settings, and then in the settings page, scroll down to advanced features, tap on that. Under advanced features, tap on S Pen, and then you should see the option S Pen to text. Okay, so make sure that is enabled, and that basically allows your S Pen to be used to write text. Okay, and also you might want to enable show writing toolbar. Now once you do that, that means you can now use your S Pen to type. Okay, so for instance, you can come here in this text box. You can see once you put your S Pen close and you see this line, that means you can write. So let's write like that. So you can write whatever you want to search like that. It's going to turn it into real text, and then you can search. Okay, alternatively, if you're in text messages, you can actually chat using the S Pen. So you can go back and let's write good job like that, and then you can hit send, and that's going to send in real text. So you're basically writing text using the S Pen on your Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.